हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एसएम क्वालिटी सॉल्यूशन। आज मैं आपको क्वालिटी के मल्टी वेरिएबिलिटी टूल के बारे में बताऊंगा। इट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द क्वालिटी टू रिजॉल्व द डिफेक्ट्स। Now, multivariability tool is the simplest way to reduce the number of factors, which also efficient method which can reduce the time and resources required to determine the primary component of the variation. For any quality issue, आप जैसा जानते हैं, there are the strategy, and what are the strategies are the first we are measuring the things, then हम analyze करते हैं, then we go for the improvement, and for the any improvement solution we are going for the control for the sustenance. नाउ जो मल्टी वेरिएबिलिटी टूल है उसका हम यूज फेज टू दैट इज एनालिसिस में करते हैं, where we eliminate a large number of factors from the universe of potential factors. Now for the factors eliminating, there are source of variation. So now we'll see what are the source of variations. There are mainly तीन टाइप के source of variation होते हैं. पहला, within individual sample means एक ही सैंपल में अगर मैं बार बार रिपीट मेजरमेंट करता हूं और मेरे को कुछ वेरिएशन मिलता है, दैट वी आर कॉलिंग द विद इन इंडिविजुअल सैंपल वेरिएशन. सेकेंड, piece to piece variation. So variation is present in the two different sample with a short span of time frame. मीन्स दो सैंपल है, अगर मैंने एक सैंपल 8 बजे लिया और एक 8 बज के 10 मिनट पे लिया और दोनों में डिफरेंसेस मिल रहे, दैट इज कॉल्ड द पीस टू पीस वेरिएशन. Now third is time to time variation. Means variation are present upon the measurement collected within a significant amount of differences between the samples. Means अगर मैं एक सैंपल सुबह लेता हूँ, एक दोपहर लेता हूँ, एक शाम लेता हूँ और तीनों सैंपल को चेक करता हूँ, and if we get some variation, that is called the time to time variation. Now these sources of variation are present in two different areas. One is for the manufacturing and one is for the transactions. So these within the individual sample, piece to piece sample, time to time sample. For the measurement side, it's clearly give within sample variation the measurement accuracy is correct or not. Second, is there any irregularity in the parts? Second, the piece to piece variation, it's defined for the machine max fixturing. means अगर दो fixture है और दोनों में differences दिख रहा है दोनों sample में, तो we can call it the fixture differences. Similarly, for the injection molding or the plastic moldings things, mold cavity differences will get it. For the time to time variation, here it comes the material changes, setup difference, tool wear calibrations, and the different operator influence, that is called the time to time variation. So these are the parts for the manufacturing side. For the transaction side also, when you look at the data, we can see the measurement accuracy, whether the accuracy is there or not. Again, the line items complexity, we can identify the complexity of the line item. Similarly, for the piece-to-piece variation, here for the transactional side, we can call for the customer differences, order editors, and the sales office differences. So these are the main features will come for the variations. Here for the time-to-time variation, it's called the seasonal variation, management changes, economic shift, or interest rate changes. That also called for the variation. Now we can see what is the within sample variation. अगर मैं किसी सैंपल को दो, दो जगह चेक करता हूँ एक ही बार, दो, तो एक मेरे को मिनिमम रीडिंग मिलेगा जो आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, दूसरा मुझे मैक्सिमम रीडिंग मिलेगा. तो these readings are called the range of the samples. एंड जब इसका मैं एवरेज निकालता हूँ, that's cause the average within the single sample. So ये हमारे को within a within a sample, what is the difference it's coming, it's called the average. Similarly, for step 2, when we are checking the piece to piece data, that is one sample is this, the sample 1, the minimum data, the maximum data, and this is the average for the one sample. For the second sample, this is the minimum, this is the maximum, and this is the average. So these are the two averages are for the two sample, and this range is called the range between two sample average. So that is very important to understand. So how to we are defining the two sample range? So that's it's clearly defined here. Similarly, for the time to time variation, you can see here we are plotting time 1 where the variations are there for the samples. For the time 2, there are some variations for the sample. This is the minimum, this is the maximum, and this is the average. So we are plotting this, and time 3, these are the variation. You can see the averages are changed. So we can clearly understand there is a variation in the process. So these are the common factors of the variations within the sample, with the sample, and time to time variations. Now you can see clearly it's plotted the sample variations, the part to part कितना वेरिएशन हो रहा है, क्या एवरेज चल रहा है. इससे अगर कोई बेसिक कंडीशन खराब हो गया उसको हम रिस्टोर करके इमीडिएट ठीक कर सकते हैं. Hope you understand this methodology. This is the theory part of the multivariate analysis. In the next video, I will explain you about the regression, how it comes the regression, how it does the multivariate analysis is affecting in the DOEs. So, if you like it this video, subscribe it, like it, and forward to the other friends also. Happy learning. We will meet next time. Thank you.